You've never been afraid to be different. You challenge norms, see patterns before others do, and hold a vision that often feels ahead of its time. But this June, the universe turns your lens inward. It's not about reinventing the world. It's about reconnecting with yourself. Mars moves through Leo, lighting up your relationship sector. This can bring both attraction and friction. Passions flare, truths surface, and dynamics shift. Some connections may feel more intense than usual. Others may reach a breaking point. But this isn't about drama. It's about clarity. Who are you when you're not adapting for others? Jupiter's move into Cancer asks you to care for your body, your schedule, your mental load. Your energy isn't limitless, even if your mind races ahead. This is a month to simplify where you can, to create rhythms that support your growth instead of draining it. Mid-month, the Mars-Uranus square may trigger unexpected emotional reactions or tension at home. You may feel restless, reactive, or deeply unsettled. Let it move through you. Resisting only creates more pressure. Sometimes what feels like disruption is actually release. Venus and Mercury in Cancer bring softness to your daily life. You may find comfort in small rituals, meaningful conversations, or just being present with yourself. Let the quiet moments speak. They hold more truth than you think. Creatively, your inspiration comes in waves. Don't try to force it. Let it come when it's ready, and be ready to catch it when it does. Career-wise, this is a time to refine rather than launch. Tweak systems, revisit unfinished ideas. Small adjustments now will lead to bigger rewards later. Financially, keep it simple. There's no need for drastic changes, only thoughtful choices. In relationships, emotional honesty is key. You're learning that detachment isn't always strength. Sometimes it's protection. This month invites you to let someone in, even if only a little. You may also feel called to reconnect with your purpose, not what sounds impressive, but what actually lights you up, even if no one else gets it yet. By the end of the month, things may feel quieter, not empty, just clearer, like you finally have room to breathe again. This is your invitation, Aquarius. Reconnect with your rhythm, honor your energy, and let truth rise without rushing to explain it. If this felt true for you, stay close. The sky is still unfolding, and you haven't seen everything yet. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And check the description. 2 special gifts are waiting for you. Until next time, keep looking to the stars.